So there's a lot going on with your Fire Sticks at the moment, your Fire TV devices, and a lot of you are doing things on your Fire TV devices, whether it's downloading new apps because your apps have been blocked, whether it's cloning apps, whether it's changing your apps. And Amazon keep pushing updates, and what they do with these updates is turn those settings on which allow them to monitor what you are doing on your device. And you need to make sure they're turned off, and you need to make sure you're secure, so what you are doing, no matter what you feel like you're doing, it's up to you what you do and how you are doing it, but you don't want them seeing what you're doing. So I'm going to show you how and what settings you need to get turned off to keep you as safe as you possibly can be on your streaming device. So first things first, make sure you hit that follow button. Make sure you hit that follow button. We're here daily with all your streaming tips. And make sure you've got your VPN running. VPN is the best way to hide your privacy and hide your IP address from all the companies who are watching you and stop you being tracked. So get your VPN, it's linked underneath. We've got an exclusive offer for you, and that will help you stay safe online. Then, you're going to get your Fire Stick remote. You can go to your settings. If you go into My Fire TV, and under About, here is where your updates are, okay? Current update, mine's on FireOS 8.1.5.8. Yours may be different depending on which device you are on. You can hit check for updates. They've got to update anyway. You're not going to stop them unless there's some long-winded routes to do it, but you need the updates for your security patches. But because of that, what happens is, in your settings, so back from your home screen again, go across to your settings. What they start to do in preferences is turn on different settings in here, okay? So the biggest ones you want to go in is privacy settings. And in privacy settings, they turn on many different things. Manage sharing from apps is quite new. And this one here is makes it easy to continue watching your favourite show. That's what they say. But select on to allow supportive third-party apps to share your viewing and content information with Amazon. So it's not talking about sharing official apps which are already on there. We're talking about sharing third-party information with Amazon. I think we'll turn that one off. Device usage data. Use personal data collected by the operating system of this device for marketing. No. App usage data. Allow Amazon to collect information relating to the frequency of your use of third-party apps downloaded from the App Store. Interest-based ads, that's just for advertising, but again, I'd rather have that off. You should have, or you used to have, cookie consent in here, but they seem to have removed that from the Fire Stick now. What they've done with cookie consent is put it onto the website, okay? And I will show you how to turn cookie consent off in a second on the website, on the Amazon website. But quickly, while we're in here, we're just going to turn off a couple more settings. I would recommend turning off data usage monitoring unless you are on a Wi-Fi which you have a limit about how much data you can use. And featured content, I'd turn these off as well just to make your device work a bit better. One more little setting I would turn off, and then we're going to go to the Amazon website. Is go to your settings, go under either applications or My Fire TV, and in here you will see one called automatic offload. Automatically offload unused apps when your Fire TV is low on storage space. App data will be saved so you can easily reinstall this app later. You want this off because you've turned off the other setting, so they won't know which apps of yours are unused, so they will mainly and offload the third-party apps. So we want that off as well. Right, next up, on the internet, it's best to do this on a computer if you can. Go on to the Amazon website. It's very tricky to do on your phone, so if you've got or if you're on your phone, you can do it, but make sure you view the desktop site, okay? So once you're on here, what you need to do is, over here, you've got your account bit, go down to where it says manage your content and devices. Then you should see a bit here which says privacy settings. My head's not in the way. And then you can click on Amazon device privacy. That will then list up all your Amazon devices. I have a lot over the years from testing. And you can click on them. And what you'll see come up underneath, you'll have your device usage data, which we just turned off on the system. Interest-based ads off, app usage data off, cookie consent. That's the one which used to be on your Fire Stick and has now disappeared. And some of these turn back on, some turn off, and it's worth checking regularly. Those ones, because the device is turned off, it can't see. But the cookie consent I have turned off. I've been double checking them all today, but I bet there's one with it turned on if I go through them. So we have lots of devices. Let's have a look. There'll be one, I'm sure. There's always one, but you can turn your cookie consent off now. And obviously this is cookies, they get to use your information. And I think it's about 120 different companies they can use your cookies. Give it to, that's what you're allowing. Give those cookies to those people. I know a lot of talk of cookies. And then you can use it to advertise you as well and whatever they want to. And they're not going to be giving that information for free. Let's remember that. Brilliant. So, hopefully that was useful for you. Make sure you hit that follow button. Make sure you install FireSend as well if you haven't. FireSend is our new app which we're using for many things, from browsing the internet on your Fire Stick to installing applications for many of my videos. So look that up in the Amazon App Store. Get your VPN, which is linked underneath. And I've been Doc Squiffy. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.